Tonight, new laws for medical cannabis.
The governor signed Senate Bill 220, otherwise known as the Putting Georgia Patients First Act, on Tuesday. It changes who qualifies for medical cannabis, how they can use it, and more.
Olivia Dunn joins us live in studio. She sat down with a medical cannabis producer in Macon who says he's excited for what this new law means for Georgia patients. Olivia, what did he have to say?
Well, Frank, Lori, folks at Feinfettel's Macon Medical Cannabis Production Facility are preparing to serve more patients now that Senate Bill 220 is state law. Now, I stepped into the facility with General Manager Will Kacharis Wednesday. He says he's excited and hopeful that this legislation will mean more people looking to medical cannabis for relief and change the way people see their products.
It can just help a lot of people.
Inside this massive medical cannabis production facility, Will Kacharis and his team are suited up and ready to see Senate Bill 220 take effect. Kacharis is the general manager at Feinfettel's Macon production facility. He hopes the Putting Georgia's Patients First Act will change lives.
Patients are going to have better, clearer, and easier access to medication that's going to help them.
Under previous Georgia law, many patients who qualified for medical cannabis often still couldn't get it unless they were severe or end stage. Senate Bill 220 removes those qualifications and adds lupus to the list of qualifying conditions. It also clears up how much cannabis content patients can have, allowing products with 12,000 milligrams or less of THC.
And it provides a lot more clarity to the patient, and it allows them to better find a product that works for them.
The new law also allows vaping medical cannabis for those 21 and up. Right now, the Macon facility is only making products like lotions and soft chews. Kacharis says those products don't provide instant relief that some patients need, but adds his team is ready to add vapes to their lineup.
It's for the instant relief factor to patients is going to be a game changer for people.
Kacharis is also hopeful the new regulations will mean more patients reaching out for help. He says part of the goal at Feinfettel is normalizing medical cannabis and calls this legislation a step in that direction.
We're just hoping people are open to the idea, and that if it works for them, it works for them.
Now, there is some question about whether the law took effect with yesterday's signing or at the start of the fiscal year on July 1st, and we're working to get you that answer. But one thing is clear, recreational marijuana is still illegal. Now, Frank, Lori, sending it back to you.